My dear student, how are you? Fine. I am also fine. Our today's lesson, we are going to discuss sentence transfer. We know, you know, there are 5 kinds of sentences. You see here, there are 5 kinds of sentences. Number 1, assertive sentences. Assertive sentences, there are two kinds of assertive sentence. One, affirmative sentence. A. B number, negative sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, optative sentence. Number 5, exclamatory sentence. What can you do? I am going to discuss sentence transfer. How can we transfer one sentence to another sentence? You know, assertive sentence, there are 2 kinds of assertive sentence: affirmative sentence, negative sentence. Our today's lessons, how can we change affirmative sentence to negative sentence? Our today's lesson, assertive sentence to negative sentence, how can we transfer it? Another, how can we transfer negative sentence to affirmative sentence? You follow, when you are going to discuss, when you are going to change, when you are going to transfer affirmative sentence to negative sentence, there are some signs. By these signs, we can transfer affirmative sentence to interrogative sentence. As for affirmative sentence, there are, you can see here, affirmative sentence, negative sentence. Now we are going to look, we are going to find out some signs. As for example, affirmative sentence, only. This is only holo affirmative sign. What is negative signs for only? Here you can see only. This is as affirmative sign. Negative sign, none but, nothing but, not more than. You can use this sign for only. When you are going to see that there is only affirmative sentence, when you are going to change it negative, then you can use none but, nothing but, or not more than. As for example, we can see here, only Allah can help us. This is example. This is affirmative sentence. Only Allah can help us. Make it negative. You can use none but, nothing but, or not more than. You can use none but for person. You can use it for person. Nothing but, you can use nothing but things, for things, any kinds of things. You can use not more than for number. Quantity, quantity for not more than. As far as only Allah can help us, this is Allah. Allah is a person. For that we can use for Allah negative form nothing but. We can use nothing but, not, sorry, none but, not nothing but, not more than, because it is one can say person. Allah is person. Otherwise we can use none but. None but Allah can help us. When you see only Allah can help us, when you are going to change it negative, then you can use none but Allah can help us. For person, as for the things, not more than. Only the sun gives us light. Here you can see only the sun gives us light. The sun, this is one kind of thing. For this, when we are going to discuss this sentence to another sentence, that means negative sentence, then you can use nothing but, not none but. Use nothing but, for this is one kind of thing. Now you can see here only the sun gives us light. This is affirmative sentence. How we can change it another sentence, that means negative sentence? We can use here nothing but. We can use here none but, because this is person, because this is thing. Now for this we can use here nothing but the sun gives us light. Another, I shall give you only 4 taka. I shall give you only 4 taka. Here you can see, here only, this sentence gives us idea. This is number, quantity. only 4 taka. This is one kind of quantity, not person, not thing. This is quantity. Here we can see only 4 taka. This is quantity. For this, when we are going to change this sentence, affirmative sentence to negative sentence, then we can use this sign, not more than, as this is quantity. I shall give you not more than, I shall give you not more than 4 taka. I shall give you only 4 taka. I shall give you not more than 4 taka. This is affirmative sentence. This expresses as number 4 taka. For this we use here not more than. After all, what have we learned from this topic? We have learned here affirmative sentence, negative sentence. Only affirmative sign, none but, nothing but, not more than. These are negative sign. When you are going to affirmative sentence to negative sentence, then you can use these signs. When you are going to change negative sentence to affirmative sentence, none but, nothing but, not more than, then you can use only or alone, only or alone. These 2 signs you can use for this lesson. In this way you can use this sign, affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative. There are many kinds of rules. Here how we can use affirmative sentence to negative sentence. You understand? I think you have understand. I think that you have understand this topic. Here you can see next word, as soon as. This is affirmative sign. When we are going to change it into negative sentence, then we use these signs. For this sign, this is affirmative sign and these are negative signs. So we can use this sign in an example. By this example, how we can use these words? As soon as we reached home, the rain started. As soon as we reached home, the rain started. What kind of sentence is this? It is assertive sentence. As this is as soon as assertive sign, affirmative sign. So this is called affirmative sign. As soon as we reached home, the rain started. This is affirmative sign and this is affirmative sentence. Now, what can we do? When we are going to change it, into negative sentence, then we use this sign for this sign. As for example, as soon as we reached home, the rain started. You can use no sooner had, hardly had, scarcely had. Any sign. Use you can use for this sign. You follow, look at the blackboard. As soon as we reached home, the rain started. This is affirmative sentence. Now we are going to change it negative sentence. We use here no sooner had. We use here no sooner had. This is negative sign. No sooner had we reached home, then the rain started. This is negative sign. You can use no sooner had, hardly had, or scarcely had this place. But there are some difference. There are some difference here. When you use no sooner had, then you use then as a conjunction between the two sentences. Between the two sentences, then you can use then. But when you can use, when you use hardly had, we are going to use hardly had or scarcely had for no sooner had, but instead of no sooner had. Then there are these are same rules, but we use then. No sooner had, when we are going to use no sooner had, then we use conjunction then. But when we are going to use hardly had or scarcely had, then we use conjunction instead of then, when. Not then. We can use when. We use always when as a conjunction. I hope that you all are understood. Our today's topic is sentence transfer. We have learned, we have gathered some knowledge about how we can use affirmative sentence to negative sentence, or negative sentence to affirmative sentence. In this way, we try to we follow these rules, and we try to affirmative sentence to negative sentence or negative sentence to affirmative sentence. Next time there are many kinds of rules. I hope we can we can discuss these rules. We can discuss these rules one by one next time. Thank you very much. You are going to be attend next class for days. I finished my class. Thank you for all.